Looking to make your home more comfortable, energy efficient, or even fully off-grid? Today we'll review the top 9 suppliers and companies that can help you source all the components you need, from HVAC to solar panels, batteries, and backup generators. We'll explore each company's strengths, specialties, and what makes them stand out, depending on your goals and budget. By the end of this video, you'll know which suppliers are best for your specific needs and how to choose between DIY solutions versus professional installations. Number 1. A1 SolarStore is the ultimate one-stop marketplace for resilience-minded homeowners, delivering solar panels, batteries, generators, air conditioners, mini splits, and roofing materials with unbeatable convenience. With over 70 fulfillment centers nationwide, customers enjoy fast delivery, some of the best prices on the market, and the confidence of expert tech support. Plus, A1 SolarStore connects homeowners with trusted local contractors, making any project, from simple upgrades to major installs, seamless and stress-free. Number 2 is SolarReviews, an educational hub with in-depth guides, product comparisons, ROI calculators, and installer reviews. Perfect for starting your solar journey. Their calculators and side-by-side comparisons help set realistic expectations for payback time and system size. It's one of the most trusted platforms because reviews come directly from verified homeowners, not just marketing material. With their learning center, you can avoid costly mistakes and approach installers already armed with the right questions. Number 3. The Home Depot, a retail giant offering solar kits, generators, HVAC equipment, and roofing. Great for those who want quick, accessible solutions with return options. Deep in-store inventory means you can often pick up emergency backup gear the same day without waiting for shipping. Plus, their frequent seasonal discounts make it easier to save on larger purchases, like generators and HVAC units. And if you prefer pro help, their contractor network can handle installations from roofing to HVAC replacements. Number 4. EnergySage, a marketplace that gathers multiple quotes from vetted installers and helps you compare based on price, equipment, warranty, and performance. Ideal if you want transparent, competitive offers with expert guidance. You can upload your utility details to get tailored estimates and financing options alongside equipment choices. The platform is backed by the US Department of Energy, which adds an extra layer of trust and credibility. They also provide educational webinars so you can understand the process before signing any contracts. Number 5. Lowe's, another major retailer with portable and off-grid kits, HVAC systems, and professional installation options. Handy for starter projects or quick fixes. Curbside pickup and straightforward returns make trialing small components and accessories low risk. They also partner with financing providers, so you can spread out the costs of bigger upgrades. And with thousands of stores nationwide, chances are high you'll find a branch nearby with exactly what you need. Number 6. HVACDirect specializes in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Their configurators ensure you pick the right system, reducing your energy load, and the solar panels and batteries you'll need. Right-sizing a heat pump before adding solar can slash peak loads and shrink the battery you'll need. Their focus on efficiency first makes them a strategic starting point for anyone planning a whole home energy upgrade. Many homeowners report saving thousands by optimizing HVAC before moving to solar, since the system size drops dramatically. Number 7. Solar.com, a concierge-style marketplace that connects you with installers, sets pricing expectations, and encourages whole system planning, including batteries and service. Early advisory calls can clarify incentives, permitting, and interconnection steps, so your project timeline is realistic. For homeowners new to solar, this hand-holding approach can prevent costly mistakes and delays. Their long-term support model also ensures you are not left alone once the panels are installed. You get guidance all the way through. Number 8. The Furnace Outlet, a budget-friendly online store for furnaces, AC units, mini splits, and accessories. A great option if you want to modernize your HVAC before going solar. Clear specs like BTU and SEER ratings on product pages make matching equipment to your home's needs simpler. Frequent sales and clearance deals make it appealing for budget-conscious upgrades without sacrificing quality. And with direct-to-home delivery, you can tackle upgrades without relying on local supply shortages. Number 9. Menards, a regional retailer with a solar and wind section. Excellent for local access to panels, parts, and roofing, especially for small off-grid or backup projects. Weekend builders appreciate being able to grab mounting hardware, sealants, and roof accessories in a single trip. Their rebate program can also offset costs on repeat purchases, which adds up if you are buying in stages. And unlike many big box chains, Menards stocks niche building materials that are perfect for DIY solar mounting and weatherproofing. So, which is right for you? DIY or modular growth? A1 SolarStore. Turnkey installs? EnergySage or Solar.com. Quick retail access? Home Depot, Lowe's. Energy load reduction? HVACDirect. Furnace Outlet. Local Midwest projects? Menards. Think about your timeline, budget, and whether you want a guided process or total DIY control. That's the real deciding factor. The best results usually come from mixing two approaches: retail access for small parts and professional marketplaces for big installs. Each of these suppliers deserve consideration. But if you are sourcing components for a complete off-grid setup, combining comfort, solar, backup, and roofing, A1 SolarStore stands out as the most versatile one-stop supplier. When planning your off-grid project, consider this supplier strategy. Start with comfort equipment suppliers, then energy supply vendors, then protection components, and source from suppliers who can support your integrated approach. This supplier selection strategy ensures you don't overpay for components or end up with incompatible parts, and gives you reliable vendor relationships for years to come. Most importantly, choosing the right suppliers gives you confidence that your sourcing decisions are backed by companies that understand off-grid systems and can support your project from start to finish.